Hey there, just wanted to do a quick review on this drying rack. It's very nice and it can hold a lot of clothes. Pretty simple to deploy. There are a couple layers here. As you can see in this middle portion, it kind of just folds out like an A-frame and then locks together. Then up here, we have another area which can be locked in place, and you have some adjustability with this. If you don't want to have it horizontal like I've got it right here, you can adjust it up a little bit higher. You can also go lower, whatever works for you, but this will hold a whole lot of clothes if you need to air dry your clothing. This does have a nice stainless steel finish. Everything is easy to use. You can see we'll put it away now. Fold everything down, and then this A-frame in the center, just lift that up and everything collapses into a nice narrow profile, which is easy to store in a closet or in some nook or cranny of your home that it won't need to be seen and it doesn't take up much space. So again, folding it out, very easy. The adjustment happens here with this piece that folds up. You also have an area here on the end. You can clip socks or whatever into this small area here for air drying. But overall, nice product, nice finish, and very functional. You can air dry a lot of clothing with this rack.